GoPro typically releases new products in September. We are getting a lot of verified facts regarding the impending GoPro Hero 12 model as that date draws closer. Are this information together with some leaked pictures worth thinking about? Will purchasing the new GoPro 12 be a sensible use of your money? Let's investigate the situation and discover the answers. In our previous video, we mentioned that the GoPro 12 would come equipped with a 1-inch sensor, a significant improvement from the Hero 11's 1 and 1.9 inches sensor. Now leaked images circulating on the internet have substantiated this claim. In one of these photos, the branding is clearly discernible. Another leaked image reveals an exciting detail. Hero 12 will provide the option for 4K video at up to 240 frames per second for slow motion footage. Furthermore, we've also received confirmation of the device's capability to shoot in 8K at 60 frames per second. These three pieces of information alone establish the GoPro Hero 12 as a compelling upgrade over its predecessor, the Hero 11. Now, let's dive straight into the specification. The GoPro Hero 12 is set to feature a 32-megapixel sensor. Although alternative rumors are suggesting a 30-megapixel sensor, this larger sensor implies that the camera will be capable of delivering an expansive wider field of view with ease. Additionally, the Hero 12 will introduce HyperView 6.0, coupled with a 360-degree horizontal lock. These features combined will ensure exceptionally sharp and noise-free footage, even during intense movements. Furthermore, the Hero 12 will provide significant versatility in its video settings. It will have the capacity to capture raw photos, enable touch zoom functionality, incorporate protune adjustments, offer on-screen shortcuts, and provide both time-lapse and night-lapse modes, all without requiring extra equipment. For simplified navigation, the Hero 12 will feature a 2.29 inches touchscreen LCD on the rear and a 1.4 inches live view screen on the front. Waterproofing capabilities up to 33 feet and rechargeable battery pack. Capturing moments on the go will be immensely enjoyable. Alongside the release of the Hero 12, GoPro will also be overhauling its subscription model. Subscribers will have the advantage of seamlessly uploading footage from their Hero 12 camera to their GoPro online account by merely charging the device. Subsequently, this footage will be automatically edited into a highlight video.
Want to earn money? You have no idea about trading? No problem. Here is Hilton Meta FX. If we are talking about benefits, you can earn profit 1 to 3% with AlgoBot Daily and 2 to 5% with SuperBot. Not only that, you can earn 10% from direct refer and 80% from team generation income. At last, you can earn royalty income also. Here is the team level bonus. This is rank and monthly income. Royalty income. Why your invest is secure here. You can withdraw your invested amount anytime. You can withdraw your earning money 24/7. Your investment and profit will be deposited into your Meta MT5 wallet. Many people are earning here a huge amount of money. Here you can see all proofs here. Still afraid? For more details, join our WhatsApp group. Link is given in the description box, and I have given my Hilton Meta link in the description also.
And promptly shared with your smartphone through the GoPro 12 Quick app. This process has been streamlined for simplicity and convenience, making it exceptionally user-friendly. Here, according to another photo, GoPro has obtained certification from the TD-RA or Telecommunications and Digital Government Regulatory Authority for the Hero 12 Black, which will be marketed as either a Hero 12 Black or Hero 12 Black. In their records, the TDRA has identified the action camera's model name as CPST1, the designation it shares with the Hero 11 Black. TDRA does not provide any additional insights into the Hero 12 Black or how it distinguishes itself from its predecessor. Although, the TDRA lifts both the Hero 11 Black and Hero 12 Black under the same model name. The latter will come with a novel rear display. This is speculated to be an edge-to-edge touchscreen. The buzz surrounding these eagerly awaited upgrades and GoPro cameras is growing stronger each day. This excitement is largely fueled by insiders who are sharing rumors, leaks, and insights into the numerous impressive enhancements that the camera is rumored to offer. And if all goes as planned, we can expect the Hero 12 to be officially announced in September 2023, with an estimated launch price of around $550. Given the notable enhancements in the ongoing global inflation, the price appears to be justifiable from our perspective. What are your thoughts on Hero 12 Black? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments section below. Consider subscribing for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.